Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Kenyan Cuisine, and today we are cooking this delicious beef stew. I'm using 3/4 of beef meat, which you're going to wash and rinse, then pressure cook for around 20 minutes or 40 minutes when you're using a slow cooker. This is because meat in Africa is a bit hard. So once our meat is done, you're going to heat some oil in a cooking pot, and then here are some of the ingredients that we're going to use today. 3/4 kg of meat, 2 large onions sliced, shan mixed masala, tomato puree and tomato paste. Now fry your meat until golden brown on both sides. At this point, add your onions and cook until translucent, then add your tomato paste and mix to combine. After mixing, add the tomato puree and let them socialize. Now add your beef broth, or you can use water as well, and the mixed spices that is consisting of masala, beef seasoning and salt. And for this recipe, I'm going to add bay leaves to elevate the flavor. You're going to cover and let it simmer for around 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, garnish with any herb of your choice. For me, I'm using spring onions and coriander. This is one of the most delicious recipes I've made so far. My family really loved it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode of Kenyan Cuisine. Until next time, take care, enjoy, bye.